Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
Yummy. Bring your own utensils. I just broke the plastic fork. Actually, not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. The premix drinks are way sweeter, I think. We bought this tent from Don Quixote for 2 people, and we barely fit.
Big back.
Big back. Nice. That's what it looks like. Morning, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me past the lawn people. I guess not lawn. The landscapers downstairs. Today is Monday. It's our last day here in Oahu, and usually our go-to is having a fairly full schedule, or at least ideas of what we want to do each day. So it's been pretty lax, which is a nice change of pace. Yesterday we went to North Shore. We ended up going to Sunset Beach. We knew it was going to be pretty crowded, but Sunset Beach was actually not too bad. We did go later in the day, so people were already leaving, which was really nice. And it's been a while since I stayed that late on North Shore. Usually we come back earlier and then, come back to Waikiki, have dinner here. But we stayed a bit later to see the sunset, which was really beautiful. Got some good pictures. Definitely didn't prepare. I should have brought more food because we didn't realize we were going to stay that late. But I figured since we were going to be there, we might as well just do it and stay for sunset, and it was really worth it. Yesterday we also went to eat brunch because I at least wanted to have brunch, like fancy brunch or sit down brunch at least one of these days. So we went to Button Up Cafe, which ended up being so good. It's this little spot in Pearl City and kind of hidden in this random plaza, but it was really yummy. We ended up getting the short rib eggs Benedict with strawberry stuffed French toast. And it wasn't too crazy. We were actually able to finish the whole meal without feeling super full. But they did run out of coffee, so wish they had more coffee, iced coffee. But otherwise, it's been good. And just everyone is super nice here, super accommodating. The crowds have been pretty decent. Yesterday was probably the busiest it's ever been, but that's also because it's a holiday weekend. So just keeping that in mind, it's going to be busy everywhere, but especially on those kinds of days. This morning I have Kai coffee. It's just downstairs. It's really good. Pretty busy this morning, but the line went by pretty quickly. And if you want to know what I got an iced latte large because they don't do mediums. 3 shots of espresso in here, which is nice. And then I got oat milk and honey syrup. Today is the second day actually of the people who are striking outside of the Hyatt Regency. It's across multiple hotels. But yesterday, our car got stuck in valet, so we were trying to figure out how to get our car. But luckily, we were able to get our keys and then just go up into the parking lot to get our car. And these people are, protesting. And we left earlier in the morning. And then when we came back, they were still here. So they had a full 9 to 5, if not longer, protesting in the front. But even then, it's been pretty good since we've been out and about all day. It hasn't really impacted us aside from the parking. The parking lot is really tight, so luckily we were able to find a spot yesterday. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the day. I think we're gonna go back to North Shore, go try some food out there. We're probably gonna go back to the Bald Guy, which is featured on Netflix. We've gone there so many times already, and it's hard not to go back every time we show up. We're also gonna go to Rise Poke because we went there last time and really want to try it again. I think we had already eaten like 2 other like food trucks, so we were so full, but we definitely want to make an intentional effort to go there first so that we can try their poke. Ryan really liked it, so we're definitely wanting to go there again. But we'll see how the crowds are, especially in North Shore. We're just gonna get on with the day, enjoy our last full day of Oahu. We'll see if we get to the beach too. We actually haven't been to Waikiki Beach, even though it's like right here. I don't know, it's kind of hard because there's so many other good beaches and we're always out and about. But I'll make an effort to go just for the video so that you know that I went and checked it off the box. He's closed. Now we gotta find something else. Camera eats first. You got cool on your mouth. Saving it for later. Yum. Chicken and rice. Yeah. So flavorful. Mac salad. Not too sweet, just how I like it. It's special from Sugar Daddies. Ooh, sweet. Ooh. That needs some alcohol. Yeah. We're at Waikiki Beach for our last day in our little tent. It's honestly so hot, but we're hoping that the clouds will come pretty soon. This is what it looks like. Pretty cloudy, but helps with the heat. Lots of people out today. Sunset on the beach last night. Oahu, we're flying back today. Of course, we had to get breakfast somewhere. How do you even say this spot?
Gulick.
Gulick. They do bentos, or kind of like Panda Express. You go order in whatever you want. We got a side of the egg omelet, and we got bento number 2, which comes with fried chicken, shrimp tempura, chow mein, rice, everything. I got a little egg omelet on the side because it's breakfast time. And then we're also gonna eat. We stopped by Foodland to get poke to bring home. We got one of these to share. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Yum. All this was $20.
Look big.
So good. And we're in like the neighborhood. Nowhere near Waikiki at all. We're going to the airport, so. Cheers. So crispy. Light.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Over there, too light. Yeah. Chopsticks are barely holding up. I had to get this back to you because I don't have to. We got the rainbow poke.
Maui onion.
This is Maui onion? It is Maui onion. I'm gonna fall asleep for sure.
7.5.
What about the poke?
Okay. If it was cold, probably an 8.
I think 7.5. I think this is the 8. I should have done more egg.